To expand and simplify this, just as before expanding, we need to multiply. So that's the times. So what we need to multiply is we need to do x times x, which is obviously x squared. We also need to do x multiplied by the plus 7, sorry. X multiplied by positive 7, which is going to be 7x, but do keep the sign with it as well. It'll make it easier later on when we're simplifying. So what we've done so far is we've multiplied half this bracket by all of this bracket. We still need to do 5 multiplied by x, which is going to be plus 5x. And lastly, we need to do 5 multiplied by 7, which is obviously plus 35. So at the moment, in terms of expand and simplify, we have expanded, we've done the brackets bit. Our last step is to write our answers here as an expression and simplify it if we can. So we've got x squared plus 7x plus 5x plus 35. So here's our expression, and always look to simplify it if we can. You should be able to notice that in the middle here we've got 7x's plus another 5x's. So that can be simplified. We've got x squared, 7x plus 5x becomes 12x, and we've got a 35 at the end. We can't simplify this anymore because, for one thing, x squared is different to 12x, and we can't add the 35 to any of these because there's an x there. So that is it, fully simplified, expanded and simplified, and that is it done. So this one here was what we call the parrot method. We call it the parrot method because as you draw your lines up here, it ends up starting to look roughly like a parrot's beak. Not a very good drawn parrot, I have to admit. So you got the beak of the parrot like so. Shh. You can also, if you're used to using the grid method would look like this. We had x plus 7 in one bracket, and that needs to be multiplied by x plus 5 in the other bracket. It doesn't matter which way around. We could have had x plus 5 up here, x plus 7 down here. It doesn't matter which way around they are. But when we're multiplying, x times x is x squared. X multiplied by plus 7 is plus 7x. Plus 5 multiplied by x is plus 5x. And 5 multiplied by 7 is plus 35. That was the expanding bit, which if you look back to here, we had in these solutions here. So it's the exact same. Just depends on which method you're more comfortable with. The simplifying bit, here's our 5x and our 7x. And to remember to do this, what we like to call this is the peanut method, because you end up with a little peanut shape here. They add together obviously to get x squared plus 12x plus 35, which is the exact same solution we had using our parrot method. So you've got the grid method up here, grid plus the peanut to help us simplify, or you can use the parrot method over here. Either one is absolutely fine.